In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my dear friends, today's presentation topic is going to be about importance of English language. And English is an international language. It's a lingua franca. It's the important language of the entire universe. I must say it's a bit of exaggeration, but as far as the world is concerned, we are living in the global world today, and English is the major language, major source of communication between the countries, between persons. Modern technology has dominated the world today, and it's also the important language of technological advancement. Libraries, you go libraries, you would find the maximum number of books. The research books have been actually written in English, and then they are translated in many other languages. And English is so important that you are here today and you are learning English. You know the importance of English if you are going abroad for further education, if you are looking forward to a job here in Pakistan. There are lots of variations of jobs here in Pakistan today which you can acquire by just speaking English. English has become so significant that you can't do without it today. And your education, international trade, banking, commerce, everything, or e-commerce even for today, all these things are associated with English language. And all the major applications, they also use today. It's the age of social media, and you find that everybody is using social media apps, and basically they are operated in English. So it has so become important that you can't do without it today. I'm going to ask you to give your opinion about it, and you will talk about your experience. It's a status symbol as well as it's a necessity of today. I'm going to invite you, and you will give your opinion regarding your perception about it.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm here to discuss the importance of English language. The importance of English language can't be overstated. It acts as a pivotal role in every domain of life, either it is educational or official. English has also become our international language. Actually, it's an international official language these days. So if I discuss its importance in education department, we see that many prestigious universities worldwide use English language as their primary language. And if you want to go abroad and get higher education in worldwide renowned universities, you must be fluent in this language. Proficiency in English language also opens gates of opportunities and treasures of knowledge in front of students, because it gives us access to different articles, online articles or books, etc., from which we can get a large amount of information. And English language is also significantly important in your professional growth. If you want to get a position in a multinational company or international organization, you must be fluent in this language. And for businesses, it is also very important. If you want to grow your business internationally beyond the borders, you must have attractive skills in English language so you can attract your clients. And alongside these aspects, English is also our global language of communication. It enables us effective communication with people from different linguistic backgrounds. If you travel anywhere in this world, English make it easy for you to survive in any country in this world. English is also a dominant language of technology, innovation, and science. We see if you want to use these websites like WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram effectively, we must be a master in English language. Conclusively, I just want to say that English language skill is not just a skill, it's a necessity. And if you want to be renowned all over the world, you must have a proficiency in English language. Thank you.
What a brilliant presentation. I'm really impressed. Thank you. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum. There are more than 7,000 languages spoken around the world today. English is the most spoken language in the world with over 1.5 billion speakers. English is ranked as third most spoken language in the world. Many people learn English as a second language because it is the language of international communication. For students, English open doors for studying abroad and accessing top universities. Computer and technologies and most advanced field English language. So understanding of English helps a lot to become a successful student. English also help and important in jobs because most of the companies use English language to communicate all over the world with their clients. English is also important to grow in the job areas because many employers looking for the employee who can understand and speak English very well to work better in global environment. In overall, English is very important because it is used for communication, education and business around the world. Knowing English helps to connect with others, accessing information, open opportunities for jobs and travel. So English is the key language in every field. So we can say that it can help us to grow personal and professional. Thank you very much.
Very smart presentation.
Assalamu alaikum class. Today my presentation topic is my favorite topic, importance of English language. Do you guys know 1.3 billion people on earth can speak English? It is the most powerful language I have ever seen in my life. It is our necessity becomes in our life to speak English in every field. When we get admission in university, when we go through with different syllabus, it usually refers English speaking. I must say, in my university life, I have seen many students and PhD scholars who wrote their theses, research papers, articles in English language just for the sake of recognition in international level. Not in English. They can use Urdu, but they use English as an international language to recognize their work and readable for worldwide. Secondly, we can get easily we can get a job in multinational company easily by proficient in English language. It can boost up our careers. Thirdly, I would say literature. Literature is possibly the most affectionated genre of English. We can read novels, stories, and novellas, poems, which includes rhythms, rhymes. We can study linguistic beauty of some famous poets like John Eliot, John Milton. I would say I have seen many of the topics which is originated by French, Greek, or Urdu, which is translated by their famous poets and writers in English to recognize. One of them is Iqbal's poetry. میں کھٹکتا ہوں دل یزدہ میں فقط کانٹے کی طرح تو فقط اللہ ہو اللہ ہو اللہ ہو. I rankle in God's heart like a throne. But what about you? You all you do is chant. He is God over and over. I must say John Milton is
This is a dialogue between the Satan and the Gabriel. حضرت جبرائیل علیہ السلام and جو شیطان ہے اس کے درمیان ایک ڈائلاگ ہوا جو اقبال نے کیپچر کیا ہے. ہمدم دیرینہ کیسا ہے جہان رنگ و بو, سوز و سازو درد و داغو جستجو آبرو، ہر گھڑی افلاک پہ رہتی ہے تیری گفتگو، کیا نہیں ممکن کہ تیرا چاک دامن ہو رفو؟ اے جبریل تو واقف نہیں اس راز سے. سیٹنس ڈائلاگ ناؤ.
Yes.
اے جبریل تو واقف نہیں اس راز سے، کر گیا سرمست مجھ کو ٹوٹ کر میرا سبو، جس کی نومیدی سے ہو سوزے درون کائنات، اس کے حق میں تک نہ تو اچھا ہے یا لا تک نہ تو. سو ایٹ دا اینڈ جو اپنی جسٹیفائی کرتا ہے کہ میری اب کیا کیفیت ہے اور میں کیا کر سکتا ہوں، میں نے علم بلند کر لیا ہے اللہ تعالیٰ کے خلاف، اللہ نخواستہ، تو اس میں کیا کرتا ہوں، میں کھٹکتا ہوں دل یزداں میں کانٹے کی طرح. شیطان کہتا ہے
تو فقط
تو، اور تو حضرت جبرائیل علیہ السلام تو فقط اللہ اللہ اللہ. So it's a super duper dialogue between Saturn and the Gabriel, and it's really amazing. اگر آپ اسے پڑھیں اور سمجھ بھی اگر آپ کو آ جائے تو پھر it would be a phenomenal achievement really. A lot of big round of applause for her. She has given the reference from Iqbal's poetry.
One and another reference is by John Milton. Her book, his Paradise Lost book, which is a truly depiction of Iqbal's poetry from Iblis ki Majlis-e Ashura.
Not Ashura.
Iblis ki
Majlis-e Shura.
Majlis-e Shura. And secondly, we can see that nowadays we are facing the advancement of technology, and every student wants to get a higher education. But for this purpose, we have to get better scores under IELTS test, and we have to get proficient in English language. After that, we see many tourists and travelers want to proficient in English language to navigate through airports, hotels, and different areas of world to travel. In the last, I would say it is not just a skill; it is a necessity of all of us to succeed in our life in this globalized world today. Thank you.
Excellent presentation. Wonderful ideas communicated, wonderful thoughts transferred, and the data transferred rather to you guys. It was really a marvelous presentation today, and I hope she has practiced today's presentation according to my tips given yesterday. Is it so? Thank you. Yes.
Good morning, class. Today our topic about importance of English. English is the widely spoken language, which making it a common medium for international communication. English is the language of primary language used in scientific technology and innovations. It is the language of international business, trade, and commerce. It is the primary language used in many educational institutions around the world. For Pakistani students, it is proficiency in English is crucial to higher education abroad. It is a language of internet who allowing access to vast amount of information and research. Social media platform and global news outlet using English language, keeping you connected with the world. Proficiency in English can significantly enhance job opportunity both in Pakistan and internationally. English is the language that is required by many multinational company and international business. In national and internationally, many high-paid jobs required strong English language skills. In conclusion, mastering in English not just a skill but also a necessity for anyone inspired succeeded in their globalized world today. Thank you so much.
Fantastic, Mr. Samuel.
Good morning, everyone. Today the topic of presentation is importance of English. The English is one of the most widely spoken language in the world and has become
One of the most widely spoken languages. जब भी आप one of की phrase इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो फिर आगे जो noun आता है वो plural आता है हमेशा. शाबाश.
and has become the global language of communication. Here are some reasons why English is important. First one is global communication. English language is the language of international business, science, technology, and entertainment. The next one is career opportunities. Proficiency in English open up the job opportunities worldwide. Then education. English is the language. English is the language of instructions in many educational institutions globally. Then access to information. Most online resources, books and research papers are in English. Then cultural exchange. English enables communication across the culture and fostering the global understanding. Then we have travel. English is widely spoken in tourist destinations, making travel easier. And then we have business. English is the language of international trade, finance, and commerce. Then we talk about the science and technology. English is the primary language used in scientific researches and technology advancement. Then we have international relations. English is used in diplomatic relations between two countries.
That's
Thank you, sir.
amazing. Very good. A lot of information. All of you guys have got tremendous knowledge about English language, and your ideas, your thoughts, your opinions are amazing. Maybe you worked really very hard for acquiring this knowledge, and I really appreciate you. 1, 2, 3, start.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Today my topic of presentation is importance of English language. Imagine having a key that unlocks door to new world ideas and opportunity. That key is English, a language that doesn't speak but connect, empowers and transforms life. English is like the world's common language, bringing people from all the world together. Want to study at top universities? English is often your golden ticket. English is your gateway to education abroad and scholarships.
Gateway to scholarship, golden ticket. You are sitting silent. Everybody should be holding a paper and pencil. اور جو اچھے ورڈز اور فریزز بول رہے ہیں دوسرے لوگ وہ لکھتے جائیں ساتھ ساتھ. اسٹارٹ رائٹنگ اٹ پلیز. لرننگ از ناٹ کہ آپ نے بولنا ہے, لرننگ از واٹ یو آر لرننگ فرام ادرس. سارے آئیڈیاز کلیکٹ کرتے ہیں آپ کی پریزنٹیشن بن جائے گی. سو پلیز اسٹارٹ رائٹنگ گولڈن ٹکٹ, گیٹ وے ٹو سکسیس. شی از یوزنگ ونڈرفل فریزز. کیا فائدہ ان کا جو آپ نے ان کو لکھا نہ اور اس کو یاد نہ کیا اور اس کو اپنی پریزنٹیشن میں استعمال نہ کیا آپ نے.
English is the language of global business, essential for sealing international deals. English is your travel companion, helping you to navigate new places with ease. Most of words on internet is in English. Knowing it means you are never out of the loop. Groundbreaking researches and discoveries are often shared in English.
Groundbreaking researches. Wow, wonderful, phenomenal phrase. Groundbreaking researches.
In the age of technology, English is the language of innovation and software. English is more than just a language; it's a superpower that
Oh my God!
opens.
English is not only a language; it's a superpower. Oh my God!
It's a
Fantastic.
superpower that opens door and connect new worlds and ideas and shape of future. Embrace it and possibilities are endless. Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
First of all, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is in great health. In today's interconnected world, mastering English language is mastering English language
Is one of the most important tools of the world for communication.
in today's interconnected world. Mastering English language opens doors to the many opportunities.
Yes.
Its importance cannot be denied. It's spoken and understood wherever you go. English language has its worth at a global level as well as at national level in Pakistan. It has become a decisive factor for securing good position. One cannot be justified for criteria of any institution, business organization, or government bodies without it. Students face difficulties in learning all the subjects if they do not have a command over English. It is essential for a student to develop their proficiency language in English for better result. The impact of English language has reached far and wide. Once the language of English was soil only. Later it became an important medium of communication all over the world.
Okay, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is importance of English. English has become the global language of communication, and its importance cannot be overstated. Here are some reasons for why English is crucial. First of all, English is the most widely spoken language.
Widely spoken English language.
It connects people from different countries and cultures. English is the language of international business, trade, and commerce. It's used in global markets and international transactions. English is the dominant language of scientific researches. Most of scientific papers, conferences, and journals are in English, allowing their researchers worldwide to share their findings. English is the primary language of instruction in many institutes, many universities worldwide. It's crucial for students to pursuing their degree in higher education in abroad. Proficiency in English opens up job opportunity globally, especially in a multinational corporation and organization too. English provides us vast amount of information, knowledge, and available resources online and in print form. English often serves as a bridge language. The people who speaks different native languages.
Bridge language. Wow.
Lastly, if someone wants to keep pace with the modern world today, the English is essential for them.
You haven't written the bridge language. I asked you to keep on writing and get ready when somebody's speaking. Okay. Wonderful. Very good presentation. Clapping, please. When I'm clapping, you should also clap. Rather, you must also clap, but decently.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today the topic of my presentation is importance of the English language. Language is a very beautiful way of communication between all of the humans in the world. It is a multicultural thing.
Multifaceted thing. Multifaceted. Multidimensional iska matlab hai.
Today we're going to talk about the English language. English language is the most spoken language in the world. It has different dialects, Australian, American, and European. Now we're going to talk about why English language is important in our daily lives. First of all, English language has a very importance because whenever you go, whenever you speak English, it has a very vast and a very good impact on the people when you speak English. English language is also a very decent language. It also requires a lot of things, also in jobs, also in the different and various perspectives of life. Whenever you go outside of the country, you should know the English. Whenever you have to take the part in the universities, you have to give presentations, you have to give another task, you have to speak to the people, communicate to them. You know the English very well to speak and communicate with them, to put a better and effective way to talk to them and to be better and effective on their minds and their hearts. Second thing, the English language is most important because it has a very diversity we have English languages, we have a very subjects which are taught in an English language, which cannot be a little bit which cannot be compiled, written in other languages, which cannot be studied. For example, math should be studied in an English language. Urdu language is not very much effective to study math. Seems like English is a very important language where that we need to learn and we need to talk about it. So last thing is that we should focus on our own, we should not only learn the English language, we should focus on our national languages, because we should not forget what is our identity. Thank you very much.
Fantastic.
In the name of Allah, is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Today is my presentation topic importance of English language. Nobody can deny the importance of English language. English is very important language. In the present time, it's global language. English is an international language. English is an international language.
Yes, English is an international language. It means that it is spoken in many nations of the world. It is not only spoken in England, it is also spoken in Australia, Canada, America, New Zealand, and even in India, Pakistan. You know, all these countries are speaking English. Urdu is our national language, but still English is the official language in which everything is written, and all the official correspondence is basically done in English in Pakistan even.
Many countries are spoken English language. In fact, the book of metric level and written in English. English language is of offices deal in communication. English offices deal in English language. English is demanded everywhere. English is us learn about different cultures.
Oh my God, thank you very much, very good. We can come to know about lots of cultures of the world by learning English, because somehow some people is historian there, or talking about the culture, or writing about the culture. You know the culture of Pakistan here. So there are lots of people who are doing this job, and in every country of the world, people are writing about the cultures. They're promoting their culture. You know that a group of people coming from China and demonstrating the cultural activities there on in Alhambra Art Center. Similarly, Pakistani cultural festivals are also recognized all over the world. People from Pakistan go to Dubai, America, Canada, Australia, any country of the world, and they demonstrate their culture festivities. Thank you. Start.
Good morning, everybody. Today I'm here to talk about importance of English language. Language basically is our major communication means of communication around the world. So basically, it is how we can share our thoughts or emotions or attitudes with the other people, to make sure that they understand and how we speak English or any other language around the globe. So basically, as we know, around the world there are 53 countries who their national language is English, and it is being spoken around 400 million people around the globe. Many large corporations or international organizations, they actually will hire people who can actually speak really good English, depending upon their communication. And also at the same time, let's say if you are traveling around the world, it helps you understand other people's culture, and also you can communicate with them better way, and you can understand their language as well. So and also it opens a lot of career opportunities around the globe if you can understand and speak English properly. In the fast world, it is very important to understand English language, as you know, it is the language of internet, and it is becoming globally to understand, make sure the people understand the English language, and it helps them understanding other person's attitude or their sentiments at the same time. And also it can help you, as I mentioned before as well, getting a good job in the international organizations, and it can help you in understanding better communication in English.
Excellent presentation. Very nice. Mr. Bilal is the one who didn't have an idea about the presentation. He came here in the class in the morning today, and I informed him that you are going to give a presentation on this topic. He been listening to everybody and making his notes, and after a lot of presentations, he was capable of giving the presentation. Once again, a big round of applause for him.
English is not just a language; it's a bridge that connects people across culture, industries, and borders. English is most widely spoken language enable communication across different native languages. Companies today use English as the primary language for international trades, meetings, and conferences. The majority of global media include our music, movies, our research is translated or built in English. English is dominant language for scholarly publication, scientific researches, and international conferences. Most of universities globally use English as the medium of instruction, interacting students worldwide. A vast amount of educational content, online courses, researches, publications are now in English. Proficiency in English open doors to job opportunities in multinational companies and global market. Many industries require English for communication, documentation, and professional certifications. English enables professionals to connect with experts and thought leaders across the global. English allows people from different cultures to share and understand diverse traditional values and perspectives. Access the global media in English helps in understanding and understanding different cultures. English is not just is more than a language. It's a vital tool for global communication, education, and professional success. In
God.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful, my today's presentation
Speak
topic
aloud,
is-
please.
My today's presentation topic is the importance of English language. English is a very important language. It is the official languages of 53 countries in the world. About 400 million people are English spoken peoples. English is the language of school, colleges, universities, and offices. English is an official language. English is an official language for many countries. We have to learn English for international study, and English is the
मैं सुन रहा हूँ, फिर बाद में आपको सुना दूंगा मैं जी.
English language is the gateway to to many scholarships of international countries.
Shabash.
And for international studies.
Scholarships of the international countries.
International studies.
All right. Thank you. Talk.
In the name of Allah is beneficent and merciful. Today my topic is importance of English. English is very important in our life. English is
पता नहीं कि कॉल कर रहा हंस रहा था पीछे से, कहता है आपको दिमाग काम नहीं करता है, आपकी यकीन लगा के वैसे ही काम करता है. उस पर क्या सर्च करना था?
Start.
nobody can deny importance of English language.
Nobody can deny the importance of English language.
In the present time, it's a global language. English is very important in our life. Many countries are spoken English. In fact, the book of matric level and written in English. English is very demanding language. English is not just a language, it's a superpower in the world. English is not just a skill, it's necessary. And
It's not only the skill, it's the necessity of the modern age, of the present age, of today.
English is a key to unlocking many opportunities connected with world and succeeding in various aspects of life. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very good. Shabash.
Good morning. Today's topic is very interesting topic. The topic is importance of English. English is crucial in our daily lives as it is a universal language spoken worldwide, enabling effective communication between people from different culture and backgrounds. It is essential in both personal and professional life because when you speak in English, your looks totally change and it's a positive impact for other people. Moreover, English is the primary language of internet, assessing a vast amount of information, resources, and contact online. Moreover, it's a international language. Many Europe countries prefer the English language. Most of multinational companies require to employ to be fluent in English because to collaborate with colleagues and clients. And most of people go to abroad for further studies, and they must require English. And English is a powerful language. That's not a skill; it's a necessity of nowadays. Additionally, I also improve my English skills because I want my ultimate aim to lead a balanced and fulfilling life where I can achieve my goals. That's why I'm studying at Genius Institute, the best of Lahore. And when you are improve your English skill, you must visit to Genius Institute. It's the best institute of Lahore. Thanks for listening.
Excellent presentation, Shabash.
Good morning, friend. Today my presentation topic importance of English language. There are many important language, but many countries are spoken English language. English is an international language, but English is an international language, standard language, communications. In our daily life, it is impossible communicate and expand using of communications. Most college of universities provide course in English. English proficiencies form requirements and visa countries UK, USA, and Australia. Most English is also international language. English is widely using official communications. English are also ones can speak to English. English is an international language. English.
Thank you very much. Very good. For speaking this international language in front of us today. Start.
Good morning, friends. I hope that you'll find and explain very well in your work. Today, my presentation topic is English language. There are many languages, but English language is very important language. English is an international language. In the present time, it's a global. Language. It's a global language. There are many books are writing in English language. There are many books are writing in English. Is are many sectors. There are many sectors are medicines, education, and etc. There are business deals of English language. Business deal of English language. Other countries cannot imagine without English language. Cannot imagine without English. English language is just not a skill. It is necessary for the peoples. It is necessary for the people. Those students are Those students are apply visa for studies. They pass IELTS test and obtain good numbers, and go to the UK, France, and all our countries.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Very good.
Good morning, friends. I hope that you are fine and exploring every second in your life. Today, nobody can deny the importance of English language. English is in this present time, it's a global language. English is very important language. Many countries are spoken in English language. English is very international language. In fact, the metric level, the books are metric level in. Are writing in English. Every year 4,000 words are included in English language. Its requirement for the English language any words. English language is very demanded everywhere. Most of the office in deal in English. English is most widely using official communication. Now for East, English is window for the West. For the West, window is the East.
Window
Thank you,
on the
sir.
word. Oh, window on the word. Very good.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today my topic is the importance of English language. English language is very important in our life. It is an international language. It is most widely language in the world. English language connect that keep us connected with the whole world. The English language is very important for us. It give us it is a way of getting a job. It is very important. It is very important to have English language.
It has importance. Yeah, it is very important.
It is very important to have English language to running a laptop, computer, and mobile etc. And English speaking people are always considered superior, and it is window language, and it is very very important in life. So I am learning English language from the Genius Institute now. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So dear friends, today everybody tried to say a few words about the significance of English. English is definitely a crucial language. You can't get rid of this language so easily. Wherever you would go, you would find it's being spoken all over the world. And whether you are a tourist or you are willing to start a job there in the international or multinational companies or organizations, you have to learn it. And some of the students have been so much informative, and they used very good sentence structures. I really appreciate all of them, and I think that I have learned a lot from your presentations today. Wish you all the very best of luck. Tomorrow we're going to have another presentation topic. Until then, God bless you all and take care of yourself, please.